Welcome back to Reaction Time. Na umuthi ni kuma na mathako kuria Mombasa kuma na Interparliamentary Games, EAC Games ni kuholditwo kuria Mombasa na President Maikoro magitengera meutengeraga hamwe na mundu ta Joho kina Amazon Kingi Weta, you know, Maikoro I think mamekulaunchaga that Interparliamentary Games Maikoro magishida magitengera na of course mahenya tamaya that launching opening tewewe koragwe fagitwo no ginya president ya side no ginya president agikoro nwe wa bere, you know, just for the fun of it. But gerorera I daririka na ka movie geta go Dictator. I don't know muthikiri wako kana niro wow, it's a comedy, don't tell some time back it go Dictator. So Dictator, there was this president who was a very bad dictator, eta go Aladdin. So Aladdin would dictate everything. Na rikana juzi arigijini arakiugete we are slowly sliding into dictatorship. So da jiguire Ruto ne aratengera mena aratake. I was reminded of a scene read akomonia higher dictator. A very funny scene from the movie A Dictator. But disclaimer, this has nothing to do with the president. It's just for the fun of it, you know. After rigijigo kiuga how slowly we are sliding into dictatorship. Daririka na a scene in this movie etawo Dictator edadela demwekirira haha. But in the meantime twabe tuone ora mgugo kihanaga kuria Mombasa kuria president matengerire then demwekirire scene ya Dictator ora Dictator na ya hanaga. It's a very funny scene. Tukwa kunyandikira woni hawa kwa down in the comments. Remember, it's just for the fun of it, nothing serious with the comparison. Ni vile hii mambo ya siasa venye tulisema hatuwezi yaka kwa roho sana. We have to be playful about it, right?
Okay, listen carefully. When I say set, don't move. When I say set, you get ready. Then I say go, then you move. All right? Yeah, go is okay. On your marks, set, go. And the president takes the first position. Hustler. President, where is the flag? 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 Sharana Duru kwa His Excellency the President for winning the race. Woo! Hey! 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 What a race! What a race! What a race! Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya.
Yeah, so that is our president imagine the winner. Ona ukiria dumekugo wago kumatenge mahenya inde mau. Yeah, the president no kuma winner. Congratulations to the president for winning EAC Interparliamentary Games. But hare move back to the movie ragumuraga ya Aladdin. This is how now the Aladdin president eka masidano yetamaya. Redago na masidano tamaya. Now the president of this Aladdin of this movie known as Aladdin, the president himself etawa Aladdin. Oniguekaga. Remember a dictator. So kugekorwa na sport no event. This is how the president would emerge the winner. Gomutigana video ya Aladdin. Thegio muno muthikiriria wakwa. Tikwa subscribe na ku like the video.
Games.
On your mark. Get set.
At which he won 14 gold medals. Often described as